Hello quizzers, welcome to the ultimate human body quiz. Are you ready to test your knowledge? Let's go! Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Rooster channel for more exciting quizzes. How many bones are in the human body? 206, 210, 215. Correct, 206. What is the largest bone in the human body? Femur. Which bones protect the brain? Pelvis, sternum, skull. Yes, a skull. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Correct, a stapes. What connects bones to muscles? Ligaments, tendons, cartilage. Right answer is tendons. How many chambers are in the human heart? Right, 4. What is the main function of red blood cells? Transport oxygen. What is the name of the windpipe? Correct, trachea. What organ produces insulin? Liver, pancreas, stomach. Correct answer is pancreas. What is the largest organ in the human body? Liver, skin, heart. Right, skin. What is the primary function of the kidneys? Filter blood. What is the smallest unit of life in the body? Correct, cell. What part of the brain controls balance? Right answer is cerebrum. Which blood vessels carry blood away from the heart? Arteries. What is the main function of white blood cells? Fight infections. Where did digestion begin? Stomach, mouth, intestine. Nice, mouth. Which organ stores bile? Gallbladder. What connects bones to the other bones? Ligaments. What is the basic unit of the nervous system? Correct, neuron. Which muscles is responsible for breathing? Diaphragm. What is the function of the small intestine? Correct, absorb nutrients. What is the function of platelets? Clotting. What is the function of the lungs? Correct answer is oxygen exchange. What is the control center of the cells? Nucleus. Which organ filters toxin from the blood? Liver. What is the primary function of the stomach? Correct, break down food. What is the role of the heart in the body? Yes, pump blood. Which part of the eye controls the amount of light? Iris. What part of the body produces red blood cells? Right answer is bone marrow. Which organ is a part of the central nervous system? Brain. What type of joints found in the shoulder? Ball and socket joint. What type of muscles is involuntary? A smooth muscle. What is the function of saliva in digestion? Yes, break down starch. What carries genetic information in a cell? Right, DNA. What does the liver produce to the aid in the digestion? Bile. What is the primary role of the large intestine? Yes, absorb water. What is the smallest blood vessels in the body? Correct, capillary. Right answer is medulla oblongata. What is the primary function of the skin? Protect the body. What is the main structural protein in the hair and nails? Right answer is keratin. What is the role of hemoglobin in the blood? Transport oxygen. Esophagus. What organ help regulate blood sugar levels? Pancreas. What organ store and release urine? Correct answer is bladder. How many kidneys in a human body? Yes, 2. What are the smallest units of the lungs? Alveoli. What part of the body is primarily responsible for balance? Ears. What is the main component of blood? Right answer is plasma. Vitamin D. What is the main function of the spleen? Correct, filter blood.